Hello, 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 hello.
No sound. Can you guys hear
Can
now?
you hear now? You must. Somebody going to tell the brother you're gonna start again with him.
Huh? Oh, so the whole thing? Tell me when you can hear me now.
Yeah.
You guys can hear me now.
Drop the gully in the chat. Let's
Drop
go.
Gali in the chat if you can hear me.
Let me hear now.
Ah, where? Let's see what else we can't see. Hey, there's a potential play on this too. 1 second. Let me check what I can see at first. Ah, where? Ah, where? You guys can hear me. Cool. So yeah, let me go over it again. Right. So I was waiting for potential buys here on German. I'm just gonna jump straight into it now, just so we all on the same page. If market does happen to come down, we know exactly why we're entering the trade. So there's a nice level of support here, guys. You guys can see here nicely. There's a nice level of support here, right? We had a nice bullish structure, price creating nice higher highs, higher lows. If I use that as my higher low and that as my new high, that's a nice hot zone that's lining up with my level of support. So ideally, I would like it if price comes down, gives me a nice rejection here, and then we can take a buy. It's not guaranteed that it's gonna come down and fetch us, but I mean that's a nice place for us to potentially enter at. We can also add this as an extra confluence here for those who like to trade trend lines. And yeah, that's basically what I'm waiting for in German 30, everybody. Let me come on the chat while we wait. I think we can also, let's just see quickly. I don't want to lose out or miss out on any moves. I don't know how I feel about buys on this. I see we've taken out these highs. So if you have a look here, this is a strong level of resistance for US 30. Right, so it's a strong level of resistance. Price broke above that level. It's now a support. Price is above that level. So maybe we can take buys around here as well. Price is creating nice bullish structure on the lower time frame. Let me have a look. Yeah, price is creating bullish structure. Maybe a nice pullback to around 49,400 and then we wait for rejection and then maybe we can take a buy there. So let's keep our eye on both. Let's keep our eye on both. Ideally, this does look a bit better, German. Does look, but it looks like it's going with us. But it's fine, it's fine. We'll see. Let's have a look at thing again quickly. That's done. So if it does come back, just let me know in the chat, guys. Let me know in the chat if it does come back. Look like we could get this here to come back. This looks like it could come back to that on that 400 mark. There's a lot of activity happening around here. I'll also check out thinking a bit fast. Silver. I managed to get in some nice buys in the morning in silver, but let's wait for this and see. Let me come onto the chat. I need to think long and hard. Cool, guys. Aware. Do I trade gold? Yes, I do trade gold. GBP, dude. Okay, well, let's go. How's my silver trades going? Hey, my silver trades are going good, bruh. They're not bad. I got a nice buy this morning and it flew up ever since. Look, I got a nice buy this morning on silver. Very nice setup. So yeah, hopefully it continues pushing like this. Silver's, I'm enjoying silver though. It's scary, but it's nice. It's nice. It's nice. It's nice. It's nice. 200 away from 5K subs. Are you serious? Are we on 4.8 now? Yeah, that's good. That's good. That's good. Please share, like, all of that with your friends. Let them join as well. Let's try to get it to that 5,000 mark. I also did mention that once we reach 5,000, I'll do that evening session with you guys. So yeah, if we can get 5K this week, then most likely we'll do it next week. Most likely we'll do it next week. Let's have a look at gold. Okay, 1 second, 1 second. Let's get the likes up, guys, please. Let's get the likes up and then I'll chop gold first quickly. So gold, lots of bullish momentum currently. Let's see. Got that nice psychological level here of that 800. That was the 4,800. The market rejected nicely. Price is on its way up. I think we should see 5,000 again soon. I think we should see 5,000 soon. Guys, just let me know in the chat if anything is coming down in terms of our other entries, right? If price is pulling down to our levels of support. Yeah, we got that 5,000 mark there. Let's have a look here on the lower time frame. What can we see? You can see some nice bullish structure here, right? You can use that as a low, and if price starts to retrace now, that would be a high, right? That's only if it retraces. That would be a nice setup for price to pull back to this level here, reject, and then we take buys there. I did mention I like to use these 25 levels as well, all over. So let's just plot a few. Let's just plot a few just to have them on our chart. You'll see how price has reacted as a support here, as a nice resistance there as well. Looks like we currently might be, no, there's 25 there. You can see even here, price is rejecting that 25. It's having, it's struggling to break above that mark. Struggling to break above that mark. This 50 is also a nice level, eh? If you guys have a look at that 50 level is also really nice. 48.50. That's also a very nice level. Nice rejection there as well. So where it is, I wouldn't take a trade just yet. But I'll monitor how price behaves at my levels of support. Overall, it is bullish, so ideally I'll only be looking for buys now, based on my lower time frame structure. Awe. Let's see. Keeping the jokes for later. Can only be traded with the biggest in the galley. Shout out my G. Lights out. What's up, my bro? NFP canceled this week. Is it? Is NFP canceled? No, man. Let's check. Why is NFP canceled? Wait, let me check Forex Factor now. I'll let you guys know. No. Yo, but the market has been crazy, guys. Yo, this couple of weeks. Let's see. Yeah, you're right. There is no NFP showing on Forex Factor. Why is it cancelled, guys? Do you guys know why it's cancelled? Oh, that's whack. What else is good this week? Today's Tuesday, right? Got some stuff today, but nothing crazy. Why is NFP cancelled, guys? Does anyone know why NFP is cancelled? Let me know in the chat. Dana's stream is background noise in the moment. Man must work up. I had no data. So maybe gold and silver will be back up again. Yeah, we could see gold. Silver pushed up so nice this morning, guys. Yo, I caught beautiful buys on silver this morning. Let me show you. I caught it from here, around this area here. Was it here? No. Let me see. I'll let you guys know now. Well, I think here, right over here, around this mark here. Oh, right here, yeah, 100%. Somewhere, yeah. I think 83,000. Yeah, I think I caught it from somewhere. Yeah, right over there. I was looking at my lower time frame, and that's when I saw nice bullish structure. Yeah, right over here, guys. Imagine, and I closed so early. So there was a low, there was a high. I closed out here as soon as market reached 84,000. But it wasn't a bad account flip. It was like 7,000 to like 25,000. So it was decent profit. And then pay attention to how price came here, rejected again, and then pushed up again. So even here, I'm sure it's rejecting a psychological level here. I noticed these 500s are also really strong as well, so we must pay attention to those. And let's see how it behaves there. Potential government shutdown. Oh, okay. Why is gold and silver not moving the same? They are moving more or less the same, brother. They are moving. This is bullish. Gold is also really bullish. Look. They're both really, really bullish. So I would say they're moving more or less the same. It's not cancelled. Someone says it's not cancelled. Does anyone know why it's not showing on Forex Factory then? because I monitor my news events on Forex Factory. That's where I look out for my news events. Let's just go back and have a look at German went without us. Also leaving without us. But it's okay. It's okay. Can still come back and give us another entry. Let's pay attention to some NASDAQ. Let's look at NAS 100. Also really, really bullish. Also extremely bullish. Someone asked me to check GJ. Let's have a look at GJ. GJ. Let's have a look at the daily first of all, right? Daily, we found really nice support here. Extremely, extremely nice support there on the daily. Price rejected a few times. Price looks like it most likely wants to target these highs here. All right. So now that we see that on the daily, let's go into the lower time frame and see how we can get to that area, right? Also, nice bullish engulfing pattern yesterday. Took out all of this price action here. Pay attention to this. Yesterday's bullish candle took out all of this, all of that indecision that was there with those wicks. Yesterday's bullish candle took that out, so that's really nice. And let's go into our lower time frame. Let's see, 2-hour time frame. Okay, 2-hour time frame. You can see there's nice bullish structure here. Price is creating higher highs and higher lows. If you guys have a look here, you guys can see there's a low, high, higher low, higher high, higher low, equal higher high, higher low, and that's a new higher high. So that's bullish as well. I'll use that as my low and that as the high. Should price start to retrace now, and then we could potentially see price pulling down to a level of support. Let's have a look. This is a nice level here. Support, support, resistance, resistance. And that's a nice psychological level of 211,750. So potential play could be like this here. Wait for price to pull down. All right, remember, we're not taking those sells. We're waiting for those buys at that level of support. Something like so. That would be a very, very nice setup. Extremely, extremely clean setup. Something like that. Then, of course, we'll target those highs there. Not a bad setup, nah? That looks really nice. I like that setup. German flag to close the gap on the H4. Why is NF? I don't know why it's cancelled, eh? All news events are postponed. Thank you, lights out. I'm not sure what's the reason though. I know there was talks about it shutting down, but I didn't know it was confirmed. I didn't know it was confirmed. Let's check Euro USD. Let's have a look at Euro USD. So Euro USD on this 2-hour time frame is bearish currently. There is a resistance or something here, and that's around the 250 mark. That 250 area. Yeah, there is a bit of a resistance there. But I'd wait for a deeper retracement personally. I'd like to see maybe price come up to this level. Yeah, see there? That level of resistance. Let me zoom in for you guys. You see here. Support. So ideally, if price pushes up to that area there, we get nice resistance there, then we look to take the sell. Around that 500. So I want to see price pull up further up. So there, pull up to there, and then I'll take the sells coming down. So here it looks something like this. Sets up like that. Guys, all of these setups that I'm giving us now, the market is not there just yet, but take pictures of it or monitor it. Because when price does come, at least you guys have an idea of what we can expect, you know. So just make sure you guys do that there. MFX Way, shout out Jerry, my brother. What's happening on gold? The gold is bullish. There's just no entry for us to enter. Price is moving up. Let's just see it's above. See it closed above, very strong. Psychological level now. Closed above. It can come and reject and push back up from this line, but I like to trade deep retracements to be safe. I like to trade the deep retracements, so I'm just gonna wait this out. Even with my German 30 and stuff, doesn't look like they're retracing. Just they're gone. Yeah, gone. That's too bullish. We didn't get that pullback. This one can come, eh? This one can come back. It's fighting. This one really can come back. Just on a nice week. Bah! Then we enter. And then it should vibe. Can you educate us on psychological levels? Okay, so psychological levels. Okay, so since there's nothing that we can actively see that's happening now, yeah? Marcy, what's your take on the dollar index? I'll go over that in a bit. So, psychological levels is where you're going to see a lot of the big moves come from. Okay, so for example, if something is 499 rand, okay, and I asked you, hey, how much? Okay, so let's say it's a t-shirt. I asked you, hey, bro, how much did you pay for this t-shirt? You're gonna just say you paid 500 rand, all right? It's not that you're lying, it's just that as humans, we say there's a sense of ease with these round numbers. You understand? If something is 248 rand, we'll ask you, bro, how much did you pay for this? You're gonna tell me you spent 250 rand, right? We just have a sense of ease when it comes to our round figures, right? And remember, when we're trading Forex, all of these levels are prices, right? All of these numbers are prices, right? So the market doesn't necessarily respect my line that I've plotted. It respects a price, right? And a lot of the times these prices are these round figures, right? It's easier to take a trade or plan out a trade to say, listen, I'm going to buy at 4,500, opposed to saying I'm going to buy at 4,483 rand. You understand? Or whatever the case may be. So these levels are psychological levels, and what I do is I round off to the nearest 250, right? So the psychological levels I use is 000, 250, 500, and 750. These are my psychological levels, right? So whenever I plot a level of support or resistance, I'll try to see which is the closest psychological level around there, right? Like, for example, let me just do here. Like for here, I'm sure we're currently rejecting a psychological level, right? We can see there's a resistance here in the past, right? And the psychological level here will be 700. See, that's exactly where the market came to, got rejection at that psychological level before price comes down. All right. If you have a look here, where the market was rejected, it's not just rejecting a line. If I double click here, you'll notice that the level it rejected is 1.36500. Right? Have a look there. There, market rejected it. So this is not just numbers. Sorry, it's not just lines, these are prices. Support and resistance are actual prices that the market has respected in the past. Does it make sense? Yes or no? Let me know in the chat if that makes sense. Let's do it again. So the 0, right? 250, 500, and 750. Those are my psychological levels. Let me give you more examples. For example, let's see here. Okay, see here, right? We can see there's definitely some level of support and resistance around that area. Can you see that? We can see there's a resistance. But this is not a line. This is a price, right? So we must try and see which of the closest psychological levels make the most sense. Now, if you have a look at that 750, that looks nice because I have a look here. The market came tapped into 750, pushed up. When the market here couldn't break above the 750, price came down, right? Raise the volume. Look, is it louder now? This is the wildest lesson I've learned. I'm glad you're learning. So you can go into anything, guys. You can go into anything. So even if you have a look now, let's go into any currency pair, right? Price respects these psychological numbers, right? They're not just lines. And as soon as you guys understand that support and resistance is not just lines, they are prices, you guys will see why at times when I trade, I'm like, I'm waiting for the market to come to this price. When it comes in, I'm going to buy. I won't just buy just because I see it moving up, you know? But even if you have a look here, see here, there's some resistance here, there's a support, there's a support. But double click that, make it 500, you'll see that's the exact price that the market struggled to break above. So if you have a look here, let me zoom in. As soon as price tapped into that 500, right? Tapped into that 500, price moved up. Tapped into that 500, price moved up. Right? Let's have a look for more. So we have something here. You can see here, there's a resistance, there's a support. Double click on that. The psychological level here will be that 750. Have a look. As soon as market tapped into 750, it pushed up. Have a look here, 757 to the wick. Have a look at all the wicks. They come to these levels before you get the big push. Please raise the volume. Oh, I don't know why it's not thinking. Can you guys hear me? Let me know in the chat if you can hear me, guys. And please like. Let's get the stream to 5,000 in this week. I think the mic is off. No, man. Volume is perfect on your side. I think maybe the volume is down on your side. Okay, dollar index. Let's have a look at the dollar index. So let's have a look on the weekly. So weekly, there goes another psychological level. So on the weekly, right, we have rejected 96,500. Week, also a huge week, right? So on the weekly, we could potentially see the dollar push up, right? Because in the weekly time frame, we've rejected this crazy, right? On the 4-hour time frame and stuff, you know, we can say we're bullish, eh, on the 4-hour time frame. But look at structure here. Price was creating these lower lows and lower highs, right? It failed to create a lower low, and now it looks like it's pushing up to create a higher high. So based on what I'm seeing on lower time frame structure, I think we're bullish on the dollar. I think we're currently bullish on the dollar. But overall, the momentum is bearish, so that's a bit crazy. But how you can monitor is maybe your hourly time frame, right? There's a nice level of support here. Nice level of support there. Psychological level of 250 here, right? If I use my foot from this low to that high, we could potentially see maybe the market come down to 97, 250 and then get a push to the upside again. So as long as price, when you're looking at this here now, as long as price is creating these higher highs and higher lows, I'll only look to buy the dollar for now, just based on what I saw on the weekly time frame, and what I'm seeing on hourly time, hourly structure. Someone said, don't watch the streams using Nokias. Mic is perfect. I'm not sure why. I'm good, my brother. Use these to check refreshing the device. Talk with your chest. Talk with my chest. You playing games, bro. Guys, someone assist me with 300 for rent. Yeah.
We all know that's not for rent. 300.
Yeah, I can remove these now. Nah? You guys got the levels, right? Let's have a look at some currency pairs. Maybe we can see if we can chop something on the currency pairs. Well, let's have a look at silver, man. Where's silver? Let's go to silver. Let's go to silver. Let's go to silver. Silver's creating nice bullish structure. Eh? Thank you, my brother.
I'll be here.
Thank you, my G. Marcy, please show us your FUB. Okay. I'll always show you guys every time my FUB. Last time. Bang, bang, double click, style, take pictures. Take a picture or a screenshot.
But if you keep it like this.
What? Yeah. That's dope.
Think so.
Yeah. Do you see any entries on GBP USD? I'll have a look now. Volume is good on iPhone, but low on TV. Hey, I'm gonna get them to check out why the volume is going off, guys. But don't trade. If I'm in a trade, I'll let you guys know. That's the most important thing. Let's see. GBP USD is the trade for GBP USD. Let's see. Let me remove all of these stuff now. I think with GBP USD, you must wait for the 4-hour close. We're not sure if it's gonna close up below the resistance or above just yet. We can see it has rejected it slightly, but remember the 4-hour candle is still open, so it can still push above. So no entry just yet on this. What area do you take decisions on FIB? So with my FIB, I use it based on structure. So if I see clean structure, that's when I'll put out my FIB. But I usually like 4-hour. I like the 4-hour time frame. I like the 4-hour time frame. Go to the previous recordings, you can find FIB setting 100%, 100%. Gold is at a resistance. That's not exciting because remember it's buying, so nah, that's not exciting for me. If gold is buying, I want to see it at a support, not at a resistance. Because overall it's bullish. It's always safer to take buys. It's always safer to take buys. Let's see what we can't see here. Ah, wait, my bad. Hey, lower time frame is holding this structure up here on GJ. Nah, doesn't look amazing. Let's see what else we can chop. Momo Sidzo in the building. What account size do I recommend on a $200? Depends on the type of trade you are taking, the amount of pips you need for your stop loss, how much you want to risk. If you want to risk the whole $200, if you want to risk some. So there's a lot of different factors. There's no like set answer to answer that question, my brother. Is the volume low?
I'm saying it's low.
Some people are saying it's low. Some people are saying it's fine.
Let's see now.
Is it better now?
It sounds good on the side.
You want me to put it on cooking?
Is it? Hey,
No,
what's time about the surprise tomorrow?
No, it's bad. The volume is bad.
It's
Huh?
bad. No, bro.
Yeah.
If I put it on, look here.
Usually on my side it's louder when it's full volume.
Sounds good on myself. But that's the loudest there.
That's the loudest. Usually,
Maybe your volume on your thing is low.
no, it's also loud. Usually it's louder.
Oh, wait.
Someone said it's better.
It's better now, no?
It's better now? Yes, it's fine. Okay, it's loud now. Aware. Dope. Shout out.
We're talking about the secret, the surprise.
Guys, must I tell you about a surprise that's happening tomorrow?
Yeah.
Okay, so listen. How many likes do I have?
Let's see.
Give them 50,000, man.
How many likes do I have?
Let's see.
Okay, guys, there's some crazy news happening tomorrow. Crazy.
Remember, they asked for a rush hour, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well, they actually didn't ask for a rush hour. They asked for a 50. But
You know you guys always ask for discounts. You love discounts. How many likes do I have?
Let's see. You have right now 77.
That's not enough. When we go to 100, I will tell you what's going to happen tomorrow.
Oh, will it even happen? Actually, it will happen if we give 100.
Yeah, if I get over 100 likes, I'll tell you. Over 100 likes, I'll tell you guys. But until then, where do I see the likes here?
76.
Oh, Sean. The likes are too low. I can't give them that for so little likes. There's no way. There's no way I can give them for so little likes like that. I need you guys to run up the likes to at least 150. You guys are gonna love that, bruh. Don't say we don't dollar for you, bruh. Don't say we don't dollar for you. Don't say we don't dollar for you. South African, of course, likes discounts. Yeah, South Africans love discounts. Especially my Indian bros. Yo. We love
I
discounts.
feel offended, you know?
Eh?
I feel offended.
We love discounts.
I like a discount. Who doesn't like a discount?
200 and yeah, but so few likes. Tell them to like, my bro. How far you think it's gonna go before it drops? Before what drops, my bro? Before what drops? Before what drops? Gold and dollar going up at the same time. Yeah, 100%. Market is volatile. But you notice that that's a good gold and the dollar are both going up. I like this, guys. I like this for a buy on USD CAD, but I'd wait for it to come and reject here nicely on that 500 mark. So let's wait for it. Let's wait for it. I'm sure we'll get something, man. Let's see. Check gold and silver. Okay, let's check.
Let's check. What are you taking today?
I was waiting for a German that it didn't come onto my level of retracement.
We didn't take it.
I wasn't here, sir.
But in general, in your groups.
Nah, I did, but nothing crazy. I started mostly on
Actually, I
Tuesday.
got to talk to you after that about something about business opportunity.
We can chop. AUD USD, let's check. AUD USD.
Babes. Top of the morning, my blood. You give a call. You get 10 minutes. I'll give a call, right? Nah, I'll be right.
Okay, I see it. If you're looking for the sales, yeah, there's a strong level of rejection here. But it's still too bullish, man. It still needs to slow down, I think, eh? I think it still needs to slow down before we take anything. And also look here. Strong bullish momentum on the lower time frame still. We could even get buys from this level for it to push up and break. Let's see here. That 250 level is strong. Yeah, see here. Could come here, reject this level and continue pushing to the upside. It's very, very bullish. So a bit crazy. Nas sales, Nas sales is not going to be that's not going to be a very smart idea, man, because the market is bullish. The market is bullish. So I wouldn't advise that. Nice close above that 25. Let me check here, man. I want to take a trade now. But I just want to find a nice one for us to take advantage of. Okay, let me tell you the secret now, yeah? Fundamentals are supporting AUD. Yeah, that makes sense. I bought a 25K challenge. So I want to know if I pass, would I be funded? Yeah, if you pass your challenge, you'll be funded, bro. Why wouldn't you be funded? If you pass your challenge, you'll be funded. Okay, let's see how many likes do we have. Okay, I'm going to tell you guys. Okay, let's get 7 more likes. I'm going to tell you guys what's going to happen tomorrow at 10. At 10 till 11 tomorrow, what's happening? Let's see. How many are? Okay, we're almost there. 6 more likes and then we're on. I'll tell you guys what's happening tomorrow at 10 a.m. Okay, 100%. We're on. Okay, cool. So, tomorrow at 10 a.m., guys, while I'm live on stream, right? We've arranged with Comit Capital, right, to let you guys buy a 25,000 Rand funded account for $10, which is like 160 Rand. What's the normal price of that? It's normally like 600 Rand, I think. Yeah. It's normally like 600 Rand. So for $10, guys, it's only gonna be while I'm live on stream, though. So it's not gonna be something that you can go after. It's only gonna be from the time I start till the time I end, right? And I'm usually on for an hour, right? So if you are planning to buy an account today, relax. Wait for tomorrow. Use the link in my description here to sign up with your Comit Capital account. You must be linked to one of us. If you are not linked, right, message me on thing and I'll just tell you who to email to be linked under me to qualify for this, right? But I think it's going to be limited to one per person. I wish we could do more, but they're like, no, we'll do one per person, and they're not going to run it the whole day. It's literally going to be, while I'm on stream, 1 hour, buy and move. Guys, it's a steal. 160 Rand. That's very cheap. And maybe what I'll do is maybe I'll buy one too and do it with you guys. Maybe we can arrange for that. The Comit website is gonna crash. They know. They're prepared. They're preparing for it. But yeah, it's only gonna last while I'm on stream. So as I'm on stream, I'll tell you guys it's live. And it's live, you guys must buy. Buy as much as you guys. I think they'll only allow one per person. But yeah, at least if you guys get it. I can't buy 4. No, I think it's only gonna be limited to 1, man. Because it's a steal, it's literally free, bruh. 160. What can you do with 160 Rand, guys? There's nothing you can do for 160 Rand now. For what account size? It's a 25,000 Rand account. A 25,000 Rand account. Yeah, hey, it's a steal, bruh. It's a steal. So we should be linked. Yes, you should be linked under me. You should be linked under me. If you're not, message me today. That's what I'm telling you guys now. I don't want to make it think so. Because while I'm on stream, I'm not going to have time to assist you guys to getting linked, you understand? So today, after my thing, you message me, listen, I want a link. I'll tell you who to mail. You email them. You'll be linked to me and then you'll qualify for that discount. Don't do it while I'm on stream because I'm not going to be able to assist you guys at the time. So do it today. Do it today. Do it today. If you don't have an Comit account already, then that's fine. You just go on the link now under the description and create an account. It will automatically be linked under me. How many phases is it, Marcy? Will it be funded from the get-go? No, you'll have to do the phase. So basically, you're buying the challenge. So the challenge is usually about 650 or so. Now it's going to be like for 150 or 160, just depending. Yeah. It's cheap. Please allow 2 per person. I can ask for 2 per person. I can't guarantee, but yeah, I can definitely ask. But guys, if they allow 1, buy 1. If they allow 2, buy 2. If they allow 3, buy 3. Just keep buying, bro, as long as they allow. It says I already have an account. Okay, someone already messaged me. I'll attend to you, my brother. What would be nice is maybe we can get those accounts, right? We buy those accounts, so everyone buys it. Even me, I'll buy it. And then maybe on a live stream we can trade those accounts together. That would be dope. That would be dope. I'm not a huge fan of. I prefer trading my own funds, but I mean, I wouldn't mind doing that with you guys.
After that.
Hey,
After this.
what's what? Please confirm the difference between a 50K one step and an instant. From the website, instant is more expensive. However, both have evaluations. My bro, you know what? As I mentioned, I don't trade.
Instant means it's funded straight away.
Instant means it's funded straight away, but they're saying
There's different rules.
there's different rules.
Mm.
Not in the same rules once you fund it.
Yeah. When you buy instant, you buy it. It's done. Your account is instant. 50,000 Rand.
Okay, so from what I'm hearing from Alex, he said once you buy instant, you're funded, but you still have to abide by the rules that they give you. You understand? Or you can't just do your own thing. Can we? Yes, you guys can message me on WhatsApp, on Instagram, guys. I'm just gonna send you the link. Just read when I send what I say now. And then they'll link you guys, and then tomorrow, once we're live, you guys must operate. You guys must operate. That's my Instagram. So you guys can just ping me there. And even if you guys wanna link your Space Markets account as well, just let me know. If you already have an account that you want to be linked under me. That'd be really good for all of us to trade it into fun. Yeah, that would be good, bro. That would be good. I wouldn't mind doing that. I wouldn't mind doing that with you guys. But it's a steal, man. Yo, that's too cheap. Guys, potential buys coming here on USD CAD. Potential buys coming here. Let's just wait for rejection there at that level. Nice bullish structure. Just gets a 1 hour rejection, we'll take buys. Let's see what else we can see in the meantime. That'll be really good. I'm going to do my first prop. Away tattoos by Cash. What's up, my G? How about 50% on all accounts? I'm still gonna get that sorted out fast. But for this price, man, this is way more than 50%, guys. This is cheap. This is a giveaway, bruh. 160 rand. You can't even buy Nando's with that. You can't even get Nando's for that, bruh. But I think we are gonna do a 50% as well for the bigger account soon.
Comit 40 is live already. You can tell them on all account sizes. Pretty soon.
Is it live? Let me try and get the 50. We have to win. This is live changing. What about gold? They're just going, bruh. They're not giving me entries. They're not giving me entries, Yasin. See, I rejected that psychological level of that 50. It's gonna come down now, but it's not a sell. I'm waiting for a nice clean setup. I trade during like Mondays a little bit, but my week starts on a Tuesday.
They can use Flash 50.
Now?
Yeah.
Okay, let me.
Flash.
Oh, no.
Like, you know Flash? FLASH 50.
Now, are you sure?
Yeah, it's live.
Do you want to ask first?
You know, you have the one that set it live for internal email campaigns.
You'll want 50% off now. Do this. But don't take the 50% for the 25,000 because it's going to be cheaper tomorrow. Flash 50. Try that and tell me if you get 50% off. Try that now. Let's all buy it. So we have to win it. You don't have to win it, bro. You buy the challenge. If you pass the challenge with the rules and the target, then you get funded that amount and then you trade with that money. That's right, Brandon. Thanks, guys. Be a part of company website under profit. Thanks, guys. The part that is confusing in the website is under the instant is the profit target. There's a profit target for the instant funding.
That's correct. There's not. They need to look at the rules. Like instant funding has completely different rules to face challenges. Because we're giving you the account straight away. So for you to withdraw, you need to follow those rules specifically.
You have to make at least 10% of the account.
Yeah, you need to make certain percentages, everything.
Okay, you know what? I'll ask them. I'll ask them exactly how it works, and I'll let you guys know. As I said, I don't trade a funded account, guys. I trade space markets. I trade my own money. But I know a lot of people do like funded account stuff, so we just bring it to you guys and giving you that option. Flash 50 valid on all accounts. Yes, I think it's valid on all accounts. Is it working? Can someone check if it's working? USD CAD is selling.
Yes, instant funding, bro. The only thing is profit split. First profit split is 70%, 30, then it's 80-20. Leverage 1 to 100. First withdrawal in 3 days. That's 5,000 rand for 1,000.
For how much?
5,000 rand for 2,000 rand.
$2,000.
For $2,500 account.
Uh-huh.
Because it's instant funding.
Yeah. I think we're gonna buy here. I'm just waiting for the market to come, reject the support, and then we'll operate from there. Where do you find the fundeds? So it's on Comit Capital, my bro. Use the link in the description, create a Comit Capital account, and then yeah, you'll see all the account challenges there and the prices and stuff like that. So after passing both phases, we get the 25. Okay, again, right, 100%. So once you pass phase 1, you pass phase 2, you then get the account that is live, and then everything that you make above there, you can withdraw. That's your profit.
Do they still want the iPhone?
It's too early for iPhones. They must first pass these challenges, and then they can get iPhones. The market is so boring today, bro. Market is not giving me anything exciting. Let's see. Silver.
Stop buying it.
Oh, this one. The mouse thinker.
So, what if you already opened an account with Comit Capital, but with RCG Broker, do you still use it? Yeah, it's fine. Comit Capital is totally different. So you can use whatever RCG or Comit Capital. Doesn't matter. Comit Capital has RCG and Space Markets. So as long as you linked under my Comit Capital, you're fine in terms of getting that discount and stuff like that. You'll be good. We buy USD CAD. Yes, we are, just not yet. I'm waiting for it to come a little lower. Once it comes a little lower to my support, then we're gonna buy. Once it comes to my support, we're gonna buy. The market is boring this morning. It's whack. Hey, let's see what's happening here. Let's see what's happening here. Hey, this thing can give us a trade, guys. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. This thing can still wick here. We can still get a trade here. Potentially still get a trade. We can still get a trade on US 30. Potential trade on US 30. We can still get buys from this level. Let's wait and see. I'll stay a couple of minutes extra to see.
300 likes, Marcellino, another hour.
300 likes, we stay another hour. Or 400 subscribe, 400 viewers.
We get 200 more subscribers.
Yeah, if you get 400 viewers, I stay longer.
Share to your friends.
Share it to your friends, share it to your friends, share it to your friends. So when you go to check out your sim, you'll see there it'll ask you for any discount codes, and then you can put that in whatever prices, you'll get half of it. But for the one for tomorrow, I will give you guys a new discount code while we on live on stream to get that to get the account for that 160 rand or whatever it is. Check Euro NZD. Euro NZD. Let's check what's happening here. How is this thing bearish, nah? Oh, I was here for a bit. This is very nice and bearish. Here you can get setups on the lower time frame, guys. You can get nice sells on the lower time frame on here. Monitor this 500 mark here. Price can come and reject there. You'll get a nice selling opportunity. High, low, lower, high, lower, low. Price comes up here. Reject. You take a sell coming down. US 30 cash. I'm not sure what you're asking me, my G. Synthetics new wave moves well. Yeah, synthetics are dope. Shout out to Kanya in the building. Guys, if you guys want to trade synthetics, holla at Kanya. He's the only one in the industry that's pushing synthetics proper. He's making some good money. He's even sent me some trades as well. He's doing well. So those that want to trade synthetics as well, on Space Markets, just hit Kanya up. Trades on weekends, 7 days a week he's operating synthetics. So yeah. How do you get linked under me on Comit? So on Comit, what you do is you're gonna message me after this thing or now, and then I will respond to you how you're gonna email them, and then tomorrow you guys will get the discount. I'll tell you who to email to be linked under me. Yep, it's coming down. It's coming down. It's coming down. Why did you come here? Give me a nice rejection of 5 minutes. We take a buy. Let's see if it can come. Let's see if it can come a bit lower. A bit lower, a bit lower, a bit lower. Let's see. What's happening on gold? You once said you don't trade synthetics. Yes, I don't trade synthetics. I don't. Kanya trade synthetics. I don't. I don't really trade it. But there's ones where still with Kanya we were trading together. But we're chilling together and I took a split. It did well. I don't analyze it at all. US 30 swaps previous high. Chuck just asking. I don't trade it like that, bruh. I use simple support resistance. Price moves up, higher lows come support, I buy. I don't look at it's reaching this and swept and stuff like that. No disrespect though. I'm just saying I don't know how to. People talk about it swept and all of that. I don't know. I don't trade like that. It's coming down. Could be a pullback. Yeah. So I'm just waiting for it to pull back. I find out my support. I get resistance. I get rejection. I buy. I double my account or I blow. Quick and fast. No long stories. How to reach out to Kanya? Kanya US 30 on Instagram. Kanya can put his details. All I'm sure Kanya can put, or someone can just put his exact username here in the description. Join those in 30. You guys will chop weekends, everything. You guys are not gonna sleep now. 24/7 we're operating. Yep, they're coming down. They're coming down. They're coming down. They're coming down. Must come and give me a nice support here. See ya? Nice resistance, nice resistance. When it comes in, it must act as a nice support. It must act as a nice support, and then we look to see if we can chop. German flu, eh? Yeah. German flu, bruh. German flu. Double or blow mentality. 100% double or blow mentality. Now, I'm just joking. We don't really trade like that. Everything is planned accordingly, but I only risk what I'm willing to blow. That's how I trade. So, for example, if I'm risking 5,000, it's not that I'm blowing everything that I have. It's 5,000 what I allocate for that trade. So from that 5,000, I can either lose the trade, lose my 5,000, or get the trade right and make anything between 10 and 15,000, depending on the move. Please share the code for the 25K account. That's going to be live tomorrow, my bro. That's going to be live tomorrow. Tomorrow, that's going to be live. While I'm on stream, you're going to get it for $10. For $10. Yo, you guys better buy, bro. Yo, for $10. Yo, that's so cheap. That's extremely cheap. Silver bullish as well. Buyers are on for everything. It's just not giving us entries yet. We're just in a push phase. We need it to come back, retrace. And then the reason why we can't buy here, we can take a buy right here on it, and then price can start to retrace and blow our account. You understand? So if you, let's just say we buy there, right? We buy there, and then let's say market decides to retrace as we buy. Then price will do that, blow us, and then go up. So we're waiting for the price to pull back to give us an entry. We can't just buy as it's on its way. Flash 50 ends today as well. I think Flash 50 ends on, no, not today. I think you guys got some time with that. Yeah, if I buy Comit, if Comit will allow, I will buy 2. Yeah, if they allow 2, guys, I doubt they're gonna allow 2. They're basically giving it away at this point. But if they do allow it, I'll buy. Just keep buying until it says no. You might be 1 or 2 of the lucky ones that get away with it. So just keep trying to buy as long as it allows you to buy. Yeah, see, we're coming down nicely now. Nice bullish structure here as well. You guys can see price is creating these higher highs and higher lows. I wanted to come just tap into my line of support, get rejection, then we buy, and then we target the new higher highs. We target new higher highs. Let's see. Please check GBP. Yes, you pay $10 for a 25K challenge. Please take GBP USD. Okay, GBP USD. I did see this. There's a lot of rejection here. Price can fall from this point because overall we are bearish. I mean, on the 1 hour time frame, if you guys have a look here, price is creating these lower lows and lower highs. There's a high low, that's a lower, could be a lower high for the market to push down and create a lower low. But I'm just waiting for this 4 hour to close because this 4 hour needs to close below this level of resistance. Currently, the 4 hour is still open. It only closes 1 hour in 1 hour and 2 minutes. And what it can do, it can still push up. And if it pushes up, it'll break above our resistance. So for now, I'm waiting for the 1 hour close so I can see. Because even if you look at the lower time frame, you guys can see there's a bit of support here. I think it's finding. So let's monitor and see. Can I buy tomorrow and use later on in the area? Yeah, you can. Once you buy the challenge, I stand to be corrected though, but from what I understand, once you buy the challenge, you can decide to use it at any time. Yeah, so even those who are still getting new to trading and still learning and stuff, if they don't want to actually do the challenge immediately, I think you guys still can buy it and leave it there, and attempt it once you guys are ready. Which is the real silver. So I like to use the FXCM one, guys. I like to use the FXCM one here. This is the one I use for silver. Hey, we could get, I don't know if you guys want to chance it, but let me see. We could get rejection here from 87,000. Could get some rejection here from 87,000, but it's risky. Let's see. Maybe we can take it. Let's see. Dow is down. Oh, well, let's see. 1 second. Oh. Check this thing how it moves, guys. This is a 1 minute time frame, right? Hey, silver is something else. Silver is something else. Let's see how it behaves at 87,000. That looks a bit scary. Okay, we got that close. Let's see. Hourly candle closed above. Let's see if we can come back to our support. Let's see if we can come back to support. Maybe we can take buys on silver. If you leave, just trade at least once. You can leave it, but just trade at least once every 30 days. I'm not sure on the rules, brother. I'll double check. But if you already created an account with Comit Capital, you can message me on Instagram, right? And I will tell you the email you guys can send. Do that today so they can sort all of that admin out today. So tomorrow you guys are not gonna have issues when you guys trying to buy. I'm working till tomorrow, so I won't be able to watch the stream after work. No, the stream will only literally work while I'm on stream. As soon as I cut and broadcast here, it's cancelled, so you guys wouldn't be able to do it. You guys wouldn't be able to do it. Alex is dancing outside here. You guys wouldn't be able to do it after. Silver 1 minute. Silver is crazy, bruh. Yo. Let's see if it comes here. I'll take a buy. I'm gonna stay on for a couple of minutes. I'm gonna stay on for a couple of minutes and then see if we can, what we can't see. I want to take a trade, man. I want to take a trade. You guys know we love trading, yeah. Please look at gold. I checked gold multiple times, my J. There's no entry for me just yet on gold. There's no entry for me just yet on gold. There's no entry for me on gold. And gold currently even closed below this here. So I will not be taking any buy now. Overall, 5 minute is bullish, but we're underneath the resistance. And we got a bearish engulfing on the 30-minute candle. So yes, it can come down, but it can go up. Why can it come down? Because it's bearish momentum. It's underneath the resistance. Why can it go up? Because on the 5 minute, it's still creating higher highs and higher lows. This could also still technically be a higher low for it to push up and create a higher high. So there's so many different things that are leaning in different directions. It's best to wait it out. Wait for everything to line up with one direction. That's the perfect time to take a trade. What level did you say you must buy? This 900 level would be okay to look for a buy, provided it holds, because on structure on the 5 minute time frame, high, low, higher, high. equal higher low for the market to push up and create a higher high. Right? But I must see maybe a 15-minute rejection at this point. I'm not going to look at a 5-minute rejection. Why am I waiting for the 15-minute rejection at least? Because of the previous 30-minute close. It's so there's lots of bearish momentum, and it engulfed the prior bullish candle. So when the market comes here, I can't just enter immediately because price could potentially want to make a huge retracement on the higher time frame, meaning it could want to even fall even further down, right? So I have to see at least a 15-minute rejection here at this level of support, and then I'll consider taking a buy, because on my lower time frame, it will be equal to an equal low, higher low. Does it make sense? I think silver's trending. I think silver's trending trend line. I'm not sure what you mean by that. Oh, wow. Silver's there at the support. Silver is at the support. Silver is at the support. Let's see how this 5-minute closes. Let's see how this 5-minute closes. You think it's gonna drop it? What you talking about, US30 or gold? Let's see here. We go back to gold quickly. Yeah, it's that 1 minute is also not the best close here. That's a sign of a reversal. That's a sign of a reversal. Let me check silver. Yeah, see even silver on the 1 hour. Let's see. Silver 1 hour doesn't look bad though, but it can also retrace a little further down. Let's check this 1 minute.
Gonna be on the Comit strategy.
Let me check this 1 minute on silver.
All right, well, I hope you.
US30 is coming down.
Yeah,
Yeah, I'm gonna check US30 and I'm just checking here first. I might take a buy on silver. I might take a buy on silver. Ah! This thing moves, bro. Yo. Alright, silver moves. Guys, I'm taking buys on silver, very small buys on silver. My 1 minute time frame is still bearish, so don't go in too aggressive, né? If you are jumping in. I'm taking small buys on silver. Stop loss needs to be below these lows, and target is that. Let's see. Let's see how she plays out. That's the setup there. If this 5 minute stays above, we could get this pushing to the upside. So let's see how she plays. Exactly, and you should stay away. We cannot. Is anyone in silver buys? Let me know in the chat if you're in. Guys, be careful with lot sizing on silver. Eh? It's hectic. Be careful with the lot sizing if you are gonna be in. If you're trading silver, it's hectic. It's hectic. Don't go in too aggressive, like how you do with gold. especially if you haven't traded it before. If you get a nice break above that level like so, you should be sharp. Let's check. Yeah, a nice break and we should be dope. How many minutes for the 5-minute close? 2 minutes. Let me come back to the chat. I'm in, bro. Let's go. Yeah, 0.01 is fine, especially if it's trading a small account because I just think can pay, guys. This thing can pay. Let's see. Let's see. Hey, it's past 11. This 1 minute must, as long as 1 minute's above this level of support, we are sharp. So we are around entry. In platinum buys, yo. I haven't traded that before, eh? I don't even know what the symbol is called. I mean, but scared for silver. Yeah, it's silver scary, guys. Silver scary. Yo, silver's not for the faint-hearted. This thing can chow you, bro. But it can also make you gang money, yo. If it just and it can push up in 1 minute, 2 minutes, it can be gone. Or down. Let's see, 10 seconds left. You saw that week. I don't like that 5-minute close, but let's wait and see. That 5 minute is cock, man. That 5 minute is whack. I left your demon thing. Head and shoulder pattern. Where, my brother? I can't see it. What time frame? Let's see if this thing can pull back. It's taking me out. It chopped me. Silver chopped me.
Between silver.
Yeah, fuck. Unlucky. Overall, it's still bullish though. Overall, it's still bullish, but it chopped me. It couldn't break above this channel here. Yeah, stop loss child, guys. Stop loss child. Could we see a potential reversal coming down on the higher time frames? So now higher time frames or lower time frame has broken bullish structure now, guys. So be very, very careful. Once price broke the structure here, it's now bearish structure on 5-minute time frame. All along we were bullish structure, as you guys can see. But now that price has broken the previous low, you must be very careful. See? So if price stayed above there, it should have went like that. But now that it's broken structure, be very, very careful of the trades you're taking. Be careful even of the buys. Ideally, the best thing to do is wait for structure to turn bullish again. Yeah, silver's crazy, but I told you, silver's dangerous. Looks like we're getting a lot of retracement. Let's see on German. It's not down just yet. What's the dollar doing? Dollar's pushing up. Yeah, maybe because the dollar's gotten a bit of bullish momentum, that's why we're starting to see other stuff just come down a bit. This thing left without us. Yeah, this was similar, exactly the same setup also that I was looking for. I was waiting for the break of that, but it couldn't break that level. On that lower time frame, it couldn't break that level. But it is what it is. We'll catch it again. We'll see tomorrow what we can't see. Hopefully we get something on German 30. Those that send me messages, I'll respond to you guys now after my stream, and then we'll get you guys linked, and then yeah, tomorrow I'll catch you guys at 10 a.m. And then yeah, just remember to have your money ready for that.
This is probably out of the past 3 months, it's probably your third loss now.
Yeah, this is like my third loss, man. Yeah, exactly my third loss.
Yeah.
Even this year, I forced on the 1 minute, but yeah, once.
Why?
Huh?
Why?
It was a good setup. It was a good setup.
Oh,
It was a good setup. It was a good setup.
don't force for them.
Yeah, high, low, nice, good setup. Yeah. Prices came.
Why you on the 1 minute? Well, you
Huh?
trade on the 4 hour. You know what you do.
Yeah, but in the fall, it still looks good as well.
Still good.
Yeah,
Okay.
it still look good. So it is what it is.
But it's only your third loss.
Yeah.
It's like if I be realistic and really think about it.
Yeah, I know we're
For the
gonna
past
we'll
2.5
get it back.
months,
Will,
3
you,
months.
will I be trading NFP? I will, but apparently NFP has changed, guys. It's no longer this week because of the shutdown, eh?
It's a whole. The NFP is not so stable yet.
Yeah, NFP is not, the government not so stable. So yeah, guys, I will catch you guys tomorrow. I'll respond to everyone shortly now with regards to that linking of accounts. And if you're ready to have an account, remember just but if you don't have an account, use the description below and then get your account sorted and we'll take it from there. Cool, guys. Enjoy the rest of your evening and your day, and you guys can catch who's Safwan at 4.
Marco.
Marco is at 4 too. So yeah, bye guys. Catch you guys tomorrow.